right, so we're going to continue on and do another example here. And what we're going to do in this one is we're just going to sketch the graph of this set of parametric equations. So what am I going to do? Well, I'm going to build a table because I need to know x and I need to know y. But the only way to get those is through t. So when t is 0, x is 1 and y is 2. So I can graph the point 1, 2. And for this, I'm going to go ahead and note that that is my starting point. Okay. Now, when t is 1, x is 2, and y is 3. 3. And I really probably, so let's keep going. Let's see what we get. When t is 2, x is 5, and y is 4. When t is 3, x is 10, and y is 5. So this is not looking very linear anymore, which tells me that it might be a curve shape, so I probably need to go into the negatives with my t. So remember, this was t is 1, t is 2, t is 3. And if I tried to keep going, I would run out of graphs. So let's try going the other way. Let's see when t is negative 1, x is 0, and y is 1. X is 0, y is 1. When t is negative 2, whoops, x is not 0, is it? X, negative 1 squared is, sorry, this point's wrong. Negative 1 squared is 1. That should be 2. So that point is wrong, because that should be the point 1, 2. I already have the point 1. Oh, no, that's the point 2, 1. 2, 1. So this is t is negative 1. When t is negative 2, x is negative 2 squared is 4 plus 1 is 5, and y is 0. Yeah, this is kind of a parabola. When t is negative 3, x is 10, and y is negative 1. So, whoops, if we sketch our curve, and we got to be careful with our arrows. So our arrows should always indicate the increasing direction of time. So you want to include some directionality usually on these. Okay, so that's how we do this by hand. Desmos is also capable of sketching parametric equations, which will allow you to check your work. So let me show you how we do this in Desmos. What we do in Desmos is we set up really an ordered pair, and in the x spot, we simply put in our equation for x with t as our variable. So t squared plus 1, comma, 2, and then in the y spot, we put the equation for y. And then Desmos is always going to ask me over what range I want to graph the parameter. And since we're just checking ourselves, let's go from negative 3 to 3. And sure enough, we have got our parabolic shape. Okay. So there are more examples of this in your textbook, and I'm going to leave them to you for you to work through, but do practice this sketching. It really does help you build an understanding of parametric curves, and that'll help you in the problem-solving work that we're going to take on in the next video.